Each zodiac sign has hairstyles that align with their unique personalities, providing inspiration for those looking to refresh their look. Aries can rock an edgy pixie cut, perfect for their bold nature, while Taurus should opt for a timeless, shaggy midi cut for effortless style. Geminis benefit from a low-maintenance French girl bob, expressing their changing moods with varying hair colors. For Cancer, a simple, messy bun reflects their caring nature, while Leo can make a statement with a dramatic blowout. Virgos prefer a polished, slick-back bun, which suits their practical demeanor, and Libras thrive with a harmonious long bob that balances elegance and edge. Overall, experimenting with different cuts and colors based on your zodiac can help you discover your most flattering look.